Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is kalam again here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in a minute using AI. It's absolutely for free. This link I will attach in the description below. So if you are beginner, don't worry, watch full video. I guarantee you, if you are watching full video, you are able to create a landing page using this AI. So let's get started. At first I'm going to mixo.io. This link I will attach in the description below. Then click here, then you are redirected to this website. This is amazing and really amazing website for create a landing page. So just here, just click describe your startup idea in a sentence. So I will something right here, for example, collect a subscriber, start. So I click number 2, start conversation. You select in your others, it doesn't matter. So just click generate. You can see generating a startup name. This is a processing time actually. So detailing a logo, collecting a site image. Why you need this landing page? Many purpose you need to this landing page. Number one, affiliate marketing. Extra affiliate marketing don't allow a direct link to at your and share anywhere. Example of Amazon. Amazon does not allow a direct link to promote anywhere. Uh, if you are create a landing page, then promote your affiliate link, then Amazon are not mind. Amazon allowed it. So this is really amazing site already created. So here anyone and any photo and any prompt are customizable. You are if you want to customizable everything, this is possible. So I want to customization something, example of customer edit content. Just click here, edit content. Then I'm going to here. Then I want to edit my website. Then edit site. Just click here. Then you are ready to here. Then click home page. Add a photo. More. Just click this icon and hero. Then if you want to change this name, example of I want to write kalam emerging to for use. You can see this icon are able to I successfully change. So now I want to change this icon. Just go here, then primary button. Just click here, contact us. I want to and here is a C1T. Contact me. Just everything a customizable. You don't need intention any others recommend. If you want to change this photo here, just click remove, then add a image from your computer. So I want to upload my computer. So I use these pictures and upload. Wow, this is an amazing website. I really like it and appreciate the owner for creating this website. So wow, you can see this everything is customizable. So if you want to more video about those type of ChatGPT people online and any others, I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care.